Hey guys, welcome to this video. Now here we are all ready to write an outstanding bio for your Twitter profile. The bio is one small text, 160 characters is the limit of Twitter for the bio. Then we can write something about your company. You can write your mission statement, your vision for the company. You can write specific messages for your audience. The goal here, guys, is basically to let your audience know a little bit more about you in 160 characters or less. That's the goal. So it needs to be a quick message that goes straight to the heart of your customers. So they will read that and they will say, yes, let's follow this company, let's follow this guy, this girl. Okay, so that's the goal. On this case, on my message, on my bio, I have amazing courses for amazing people. Visit this website here to access top strategies to grow your online business. Another thing that you need to remember, and this is good, you will like this, you can add links on your bio, you can add hashtags on your bio, and you can add other Twitter handles on your bio. That means that here on my personal page, I can add a Twitter handle pointing to my company page. Okay, or the other way around. So basically I can drive people from my personal page to my company page and from my company page to my personal page. So I can add any of that information here on the bio, and we will do a real example here in 1 minute. Before we do that, let me show you here on Udemy, for example, they have a global marketplace for learning and teaching online. So this is the main thing of the company. If you don't know Udemy, and I tell you that Udemy is a global marketplace for learning and teaching online, you will say, okay, now I know what Udemy is. So that's the goal of the bio. People don't know you, people don't know your company, so you are telling them a little bit more about you here on the bio. And also, they said, need support? We are happy to help at Udemy support. So see, here they are adding another Twitter handle, which is another Twitter profile, which is only for Udemy support. Okay, so that way they are driving people to their support website. On Teachable, they are saying create and sell. If you don't know anything about Teachable and you read this, create and sell beautiful online courses. Wow, great. So it looks like Teachable is a place where I can create and I can sell online courses that are beautiful. So that's great. In this small space, in this small phrase, they share the goal of the company. So that's what you need to think about you, about your company, about your products. Think what's the best phrase to share with your audience, your goals, and what your company is about, okay? What your services, your products are about. And you will do that here on the space. If we go to HostGator, see here, we are a leading provider of web hosting, reselling hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated service. For support, contact this website here. Okay, so this is HostGator. Let's go to our website and do that right now. Here we are on our the test account that we are creating on Twitter. So in order to edit that, we can click on edit profile. If you don't see here, you can go here to your account, go to profile, and in here, click on edit profile. And now you see that the system allow us to change all these fields. And the second one here is bio. So I have a pre-written bio here saying the best digital marketing course collection. Learn the best strategies to grow your business. And you see that after that, I enter by Real Diego Davila, which is my handle. I entered this in purpose to show you that you can add your handle here if you want. And also I can add my website. For example, visit us at diegodavila.com. I can do that too if I want. So I am driving people to my Twitter handle, and also I am driving people to my website. Okay? Remember that is not mandatory to enter your website here. Usually when every time I am teaching all digital marketing for other social media platforms, I said always add your website on the bio, because the most places you have your website, the better. On this case, is the same rule applies here, but The thing is that on Twitter, we have the website field here below below the bio. So if we go here to HostGator, for example, we have the bio here and we have the website. If we go to Udemy, we have the bio and we have the website. That's why on Twitter, maybe, that depends on you. You can add the website here on the bio and also on here. I mean, that's my rule. The most places where you can place your website URL, the better. I mean, you have backlinks going to Google. That will help you to grow organically on Google results and all that. But that's up to you on this case, because they are very close to each other here on your profile page. Okay, I will add it for now. I will leave it like this. After that, we have the other fields. One last thing before we move forward. Think about keywords also. Keywords are specific words that people search on Google, what people search on Twitter, that people used to search for information on the internet. I'm not saying that if you use your keywords here, that you will rank higher on Google or on Twitter or anything like that. I'm not saying that, but it's always important to add your keywords if you have the chance. Okay, if you have the chance, add the keywords here on the profile. On this case, the keywords change business to business. On this case, my business is creating online courses and teaching amazing people like you how to grow their business online. So here we have some keywords. For example, digital marketing is a keyword. Digital marketing course is a keyword phrase that people can use to search on the internet. So basically, my clients, I need to put myself in my client's place, and I need to imagine that they go to Google and they want to find my products and services. What do they type on Google? To find my courses, for example, they will type probably Facebook courses, Twitter courses, or maybe digital marketing courses, which is this case, right? So that's why I add this keyword here. Also here, the best strategy is grow your business. For example, is another keyword that my customers type. Or maybe grow your online business. That's another one. It's a different keyword, the keyword phrase, right? So think about that too. Don't worry too much about the keywords on this case, but it's recommended to have it if possible. But the most important thing here, guys, on the bio is not the keywords. The most important thing is to share a phrase with your audience that goes straight to the heart of your client. That they read that and they said, yes, I want to follow this company. That's the goal, okay? When you are done with this, happy, you can change it anytime, so don't worry about it. You can come here and choose your location. You can choose the city that you live, the city where your company is based, and all that. After that, you can enter your website, and this, yes, is super important. I recommend you to enter your website here, because this is the way that you are telling to your audience that if they want to learn more about you, about your products, your services, if they want to be your clients, they can go to this link. And this is the link that you forward them. You can add also here. This is a good strategy. So you can create a landing page and add the link to your landing page here. So when they click on here, they will be able to share with you their name and email in exchange for something for free, a lead magnet, a free gift that you are giving to them. It can be a PDF, a report, a free video series, or something like that. And by doing that, you are not only collecting, you are not only collecting their information, you are also adding value to this potential customer and establishing a relationship with this customer. And that's important because later, when they are ready to buy your products and services, they already know you, they already know your company, they trust you because you already deliver value to them. So that's all good, okay? Enter your website here, and the last option is your birthday. If it's your personal page, of course, you can enter your birthday, or if it's your company, you can enter the date that you found the company. If you click on this small icon next to the date box, you can see public, my followers, people I follow, and all that. So these are the restrictions. Who can see your birthday? If you say public, everybody can see it. Or you can choose only to show this to your followers or only to people that you follow. Or you can keep it only to you, okay? That's up to you. I'll say public. Let me go to February 3rd, let's say here, like 60, for example, okay? Wonderful. That's it. It's ready. It's all good. Now we are ready to save changes. Click on Save Changes here. We see the amazing image, the profile image. We see that the bio description here with the handle, the website. We see the location where my company is, our website, the date that we joined the foundation of the company, and the date that we joined the Twitter, the date that we created this Twitter account. Okay, in the next video we will continue with more and more strategies about Twitter, so I hope to see you in the next video, and I'm happy to see that you are taking action, you are watching at the end, up to the end of this video. That's amazing. That means that you are a serious entrepreneur and you are serious on growing your company online. See you in the next video.